Welcome this video. Pergola idea attached to a house. Beautiful extension that elevate outdoor live into the world of house design, outdoor living space have task central homeowner have increasingly look to extension their indoor comfort outside and one of the most elegant and provide a way to do that is with a parlor attached to the house. Attached parlor do not enhance cub appear but also increasingly usable scared foot again often shade beauty and structure to patio depth and backyard retreat. We explored a various of attached Pagalo idea that can comfort the look and functional of your outdoor space. Run for rustic and minimalist design to temperament and high catch other. What is an attached bungalow? An attached bungalow is a structure that is fixed discard to the explored wall of your home used over the patio depth soft glass door unlike fresh and pergola is often a seamless traditional for indoor to outdoor space. Mark it feel like natural extension of your living area. This type of bungalow is perfect for created a defined sitting area, outdoor dining space, or a shed. It's also add architecture, interior, and can significantly boost your home value and charm. Classic wood bungalow over the patio. One of the most timeless and popular idea is a wood bungalow attached to the back of the house cover a inclusion patio. Whether your choice redwood, natural tone of wood, often warm and elegant, add charm, vibrant like, and to have a lush romantic install. Some outdoor like and lecturing, and you have the perfect even set of dining and drink for a rustic look. Level of bring and natural. For a more modern style, go with clean line bungalow with glass roof. If you want productive from both sun and rain, consider installing tropical or glass roof on your attached bungalow. That material allow natural light to fit through while the area for UV run. This is an idea for homeowner how want to enjoy their outdoor space Here role that sleep traditional also complement modern home beautiful. You can other for UV resisting panel heart of glass while keep too bright. Modern material paglo. A modern attached paglo often mark for alone is perfect for complement home. The clean minimalist often with seamless with modern architecture and requested less minimalist than wood. Mark Pagalo can be powered is various color with bag and while bring to the